Hello, friends. Welcome to the Career Guru Podcast. I am your host, Steve Yanofsky. What a glorious day it is to start your path on a new career. Doors are opening here at the Boston Career Institute even as we speak. And I'm here holding the key for you. So tune in, stay sharp, and enjoy yourself. This is going to be great. Hashtag Let's Career Up. Greetings, my friends, conversationalists, career gurus, aspiring career gurus all across the fruited plain. It is I, Steve Yanofsky, your career guru, coming to you once again across the magical waves of the internet. And this time, just to bring you a holiday greeting. We're here yet again. We bring to a close another year. My gosh, I just got used to saying 2025, and yet here we are approaching 2026. We're almost there. I want to take a moment today to wish you a warm and joyful holiday season. Whether you're celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, or simply enjoying time with family and friends, this is truly a special time of the year. It is Guru's favorite time of the year. The holiday season is not only about celebration, it's about reflection, connection, and growth. It is a moment to pause, recharge, and set the stage for the year ahead. But there's another dimension of the season that holds incredible power: the act of giving. This year, I want to highlight the importance of being charitable through kindness, generosity, and simple acts of goodness. When we choose to help someone else, something remarkable happens, my friends. The light we share has a way of returning to us, often unexpectedly multiplied. I can't stress that enough. Kindness produces waves of positivity, opportunity, and goodwill that come back to the giver in ways we don't always see coming. We almost never see it coming unless we are completely and totally in tune with the universe. And this is what the holiday season allows us to do. You know, whether it's volunteering, donating, mentoring, or simply being there for someone who needs your support, these acts don't just uplift others. They strengthen our own sense of purpose. They fuel our personal growth and cultivate a mindset that transforms careers and lives. It is truly amazing, friends. So as we celebrate the season of light, I encourage you to spread your own light. Lift someone up. Encourage a colleague. Give without expecting anything in return, because generosity doesn't just change someone else's world, it expands your own. From me, from all of us here at the Boston Career Institute, I want to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. May the season bring you peace, inspiration, and a renewed sense of purpose. And may the kindness you give come back to you tenfold in the year ahead. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you all. Career Guru signing off. Talk to you next year. Well, friends and aspiring career gurus, this was fun. Thank you for tuning in. I feel enlightened, I feel empowered, and I'm feeling grateful that we spend time with you. For more information about Boston Career Institute, please visit our website, bostoncareer.org. Boston Career Institute has 3 campuses located in Brookline, Massachusetts, Malden, Massachusetts, and Lowell, Massachusetts. Call our toll-free number 888-383-6058. For questions, comments, and/or information about our podcast, email me at thecareerguru@bostoncareer.org. The Career Guru podcast is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, our website, bostoncareer.org, or wherever you stream your podcast. Subscribe, stream, rate, and review our shows. Your rating and reviews help our show reach new audiences. Produced by PodPro Entertainment, the Career Guru lives within a network of podcasts located at podproentertainment.com. Hashtag the new radio. Looking forward to seeing you soon. All the best to you. My name is Steve Yanofsky. I am the Career Guru. May God bless you. Hashtag Let's Career Up.